Hello, this is Lee. And, well, this is my puppy. Her name is Mowgli. We got it from the Jungle Book. Say hi, Mama. Say hi. Can you say hi? She said hi. Well, she likes staring at a camera because she thinks there's two of her. She's laying her head back down now. But, I made this video today because I thought it was just I like to take videos of random things, but she has the hiccups, and she gets them a lot, but, yeah. So, I'm gonna also introduce you to dog, so, yeah. So, of course, I know. Her name is Mowgli, yeah, and she is a German short-haired pointer triple mix, and she looks like a Dalmatian, but she's not a Dalmatian. She's a, German short triple mix. And she has a pink collar because she's a girl, of course, because I've been saying she. And it has light pink, hot pink, white, and maroon. So, yeah. And she has a big spot on her back, right here. Oh, she won't show you. Okay. She has a big spot on her back, though. She always tries to kick me. And she isn't a dog because she lets you lay on her. And she's just awesome. So, well, her hiccups are gone. So, I'm going to stop the video and thank you for watching.